Hello students, welcome back to the class, and today we are going to discuss the assertion and reasoning type questions from the topic excretory system of the chapter life processes. I hope that you have gone through my previous video in which I have discussed some MCQs from the same topic of excretory system. So without wasting much time, let us go into discussion of this particular question here. The first question is, assertion states that ammonia should be eliminated from the body as rapidly as it is formed. So students, what do we think? Ammonia being a gas, it is extremely toxic to be stored in the body. So it is a true statement that it should be removed as soon as it is formed. Reason states that ammonia is insoluble in water, whereas we know that ammonia is highly soluble in water, but it requires large amount of water for the solubility. So this statement is a false statement. So the correct answer for this question is option C, which says that A is true but R is false. Next question is, assertion states that urinary bladder and ureter are the temporary store organs of urine. So urinary bladder is a storage organ, but ureter is a tubule which carries the urine to the urinary bladder for the storage. So this particular statement is definitely a false statement. Reason states that collecting duct receives the concentrated urine from the uriniferous tubules. The PCT, loop of Henle and the DCT, when the filtrate passes through each one of them, finally urine is formed. So this particular urine is sent to the collecting duct, and these collecting ducts only are connected to the ureter. So this particular statement or the reason is true statement. So which one will be the answer? The option D will be the answer for this particular question. Next question is, aquatic animals like whales and seals are said to be ureotelic animals. According to the physiology of the mammals, they can only excrete urea. So this whale and seals also excrete urea, and that is why it is a true statement. Reason states that it is because of the fact that their main nitrogenous waste product is urea. This is just a true statement. Reason is giving the explanation to the assertion, and that is why A will be the correct answer for this particular question. Fourth question says that glomerulus is formed by the tuft of blood capillaries. So glomerulus is definitely formed by the blood capillaries. Reason states that the blood flow in the glomerulus is very rapid. Okay, a high pressure blood flow happens in the glomerulus. It is also a very true statement, but reason is not giving any explanation to A, that is assertion, and that is why option B will be the correct answer for this particular question. Question 5. Human kidneys are the organs where purification of blood take place. Okay, human kidneys are said to be the organs where blood purification take place. So this is a true statement. Reason states that blood received by the human kidneys is rich in oxygen but low in nitrogenous wastes. See, the blood which is received by the kidneys, it is received by the renal artery. Okay, and renal artery will be definitely high in oxygen level, but it is also rich in nitrogenous waste products. So this particular statement is a false statement. Okay, and that is why the option will be C. Okay. Next question says that glomerular filtrate is hypotonic initially and becomes concentrated as it passes through PCT, loop of Henle and DCT. So it becomes concentrated and it forms urine. So this is a true statement, whereas reason says that reabsorption of the water and essential minerals from the filtrate makes the filtrate concentrated. So the reabsorption process only makes the filtrate concentrated. But is this reason giving the explanation to assertion? Yes, the reason is giving an explanation to the assertion, and that is why A will be the correct option for this question. Question number 7. A person whose kidneys fail to function is referred to dialysis, is referred for dialysis. So if a person whose kidney fail, he is put on artificial kidney, and that process is called as dialysis, hemodialysis also we can say. Reason says that dialysis involves the purification of blood outside the human body. the blood from the human body is taken out into a machine in which the blood purification takes place. So this is also a true statement, but it is not giving any kind of explanation to A, and that is why option B will be the correct answer. Question number 8 says that humans can survive on having one kidney. Okay, if a person is having one kidney, then also he can survive, he can perform his daily activities. Reason states that the rate of physical activity reduces a lot due to the failure of one kidney. If the person is surviving only on one kidney, then definitely it will take more pressure, it has to do more work as compared to when there were two kidneys, and that is why the physical activity reduces a lot. So this is also a true statement. Okay, but it is not giving any explanation to assertion, that is why option B will be the correct answer. Question number 9 is, the glomerular filtrate resembles the protein-free plasma in the composition and the osmotic pressure. So the plasma which is going into the filtrate, it is definitely protein-free, because ultrafiltration that is taking place in the glomerulus does not involve the protein filtration. Proteins are the large molecules which cannot filter out during ultrafiltration, and that is why this is a true statement. Whereas the reason states that the glomerular capillary wall and inner membrane of Bowman's capsule are impermeable to large molecules. Definitely they are impermeable, and that is why the proteins cannot pass through the Bowman's capsule membrane. The statement is true, but is it giving the explanation to assertion? It is giving the explanation to assertion, because the impermeability of the glomerular capillary wall and the Bowman's capsule does not allow the proteins to get filtered out, and that is why A is the correct answer. Question number 10 is, kidneys maintain the osmotic concentration of the blood, right? So osmotic concentration of the blood is maintained by the kidney. It may be the false statement, because nephrons, kidneys are the organs which are made up of nephrons. So nephrons actually maintain the osmotic concentration of the blood. So kidneys eliminate either hypotonic or hypertonic urine according to the need of the body. So this is a true statement, because it depends upon how much amount of water your body containing. If your body containing a lot of water, then the urine will be hypotonic. If your body is containing less amount of water, or you are under a stress of water, then the urine concentration will be more, that is hypertonic urine. So the option will be, the correct answer will be option D for this particular question. Question number 11 says that secreting hypertonic urine is effective in reducing urinary loss of water. The hypertonic means less water will be there in the urine, because lot of water will be reabsorbed, and that is why concentration of the urine will be more, and that is why this particular statement will be a true statement. Reason states that hypotonic urine is more concentrated and higher in osmotic pressure than the blood. See, its osmotic pressure will be higher, so this is true, but it is more concentrated, it is not, because more water presence makes the urine less concentrated, and that is why this particular statement is a false statement, and our option C is the correct answer for this particular question. Question number 12 is, process of maintaining a constant internal environment is known as homeostasis. Okay, so this is a true statement, and the reason states that kidneys are excretory and homeostatic organs. Kidneys are definitely excretory organs, and they are also maintaining the water balance, osmotic concentration of our body. They are osmotic regulators, and that is why they are the homeostatic organs also. Clearly it is seen that reason is not giving any explanation to assertion, that is why option B will be the correct answer for our question. So that's all, students. I hope that you have liked the content, you have liked the explanation of the questions which I have discussed here. So if you have liked the content, please subscribe to the channel and share this channel amongst your friends. I would recommend you to comment on this particular content in the comment box and let me know how did you like the content, and suggest the topics on which you want video lectures can be made. Thanks a lot for watching this video till this moment. See you until next time. Bye.